How to transfer money internationally with RBC Royal Bank. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Giants. Without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in RBC Online Banking. Then tap on its official website on the first search result. Here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Under here, you will see International Money Transfer option. Tap onto it. Once you tap onto it, you have to enter the recipient information, including their address and account number. You will also need the destination bank's name and location, which includes SWIFT BIC code or APA routing number. Once done, tap on to Next and then you are good to go. Also note that most funds are received within 2 business days. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.